What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya, and today we're going to be reviewing this boom and crash strategy that you see on my screen. As you can already see, I'm already in another setup, and I'm gonna explain to you guys how I got that nice entry. We actually have two setups. We actually have another one on Crash 500, which is also in profit, as you can see, and we have the one on Boom 500. So we're going to discuss and review this strategy and see how best you can use it to make some money trading the volatility indices market. Okay, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I review trading strategies and I teach people on trading each and every single day. So if you're interested in learning about forex trading, please make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post videos like this right here on this channel. Okay, so without wasting much time, we're going to install the necessary indicators for this strategy to work, and we're also going to talk about the conditions that have to be met when you want to start using this strategy. Okay, so, and like I said, I'll also tell you guys why I entered the trades that you see on my charts, why I traded those trades. Okay, so it's in three parts: settings, conditions, and some live trading examples of how this strategy actually works. Okay, so what I'll do right now is I will remove all these indicators that I have so that we can have the step-by-step process of installing the strategy. As you can see now, I'm left with only some blank charts. I'm going to remove this so that you guys can clearly see. By the way, those were my take profits and my stop loss levels. So the first indicator that you need, you'll find out that this is a very simple boom and crash strategy because it is only made up of two indicators. We've got the moving average and we've got another indicator that I'm going to show you. Okay, that's very necessary for you to know that I do not just use indicators when trading. Okay, I do use confluence trading, which means that I need a bunch of trading principles to confirm my entry. Okay, so I mix my indicators with some price action. So you find out I do explain on price action, and will also involve some indicators. So don't just use this just like that. It's very risky trading. I don't advise anyone to just use one trading principle or one confirmation to enter into any trade. You really have to have at least 2 or 3 confirmations or things that are confirming your trade. It doesn't mean that you won't lose, but you are just increasing your chances of survival. You're just protecting your capital. Okay, so if you want to learn about that in detail, I do have a mentorship class where I'm teaching you all these steps so that you can actually get in the right mindset as me and trade the same way that I'm trading. Okay, you won't just wake up with that. You need to learn about there are concepts that you need to learn about. Okay, let's get into the strategy. The first indicator that we will need is a moving average, like you saw. So I'm going to go to my indicators, then click on the moving average, and we're going to have the following properties. We've got a period of 20, a shift of 0. The method is simple: apply to close, and then there's no need for any levels. And on visualization, the indicator should appear on all time frames. Okay, and then on style, we chose that red color. Okay, so if you click down, you should have a red moving average running across your charts. As you can see, we do. Okay, and then the last indicator, like I said, we only have 2 indicators. The last indicator is called the Williams percent range. I think it's down there. Okay, it's right here. And it's going to have the following properties. We've got a period of 60. We've got the minus 50 level, which we labeled as our entry point. So initially it was like this. The description is just entry or entry point. So I'll just leave it as my entry. Okay, Now click on done. And then the color for this indicator, I'll choose the green color. You can pick any color of your choice, but remember I'll be referring to the colors that I chose. So for you to avoid confusion, try and follow the same colors that I'm just using. Okay, so if I click done, we should have that indicator at the bottom right there. Okay, which is great. Now what is left is understanding how this strategy operates. How are you going to enter into trades? How are you going to get these nice entries? Okay, how are you going to get these entries? How are you going to be able to enter a trade like this? It's very simple. You're going to only need two conditions to be met. That's for the indicator section. But then you still need some price action to be involved in your trading. Okay, so I'll first off explain how to use it just using the indicators, and then we'll include a little bit of some price action into looking for an entry. Okay, so if you want to scalp with this strategy, or if you want to trade with this strategy, firstly you need to go to your 5-minute time frame. Okay, and then the zoom level, we're going to use the third from last zoom level, or third smallest zoom level, or third or fourth smallest zoom level, anywhere between those two zoom levels. So this is what you see on your screen, something like this, which is good. Now with that set, how do you actually get an entry point? Why did I enter into this buy trade? Okay, firstly, you're going to need to see some entries from your indicator. So whenever you see candlesticks crossing your red line here, that's an alert. But then how do you know, are you supposed to go up or you're supposed to go down? Now we're going to use this Williams percent indicator. If it's approaching level 50 or it's going up above level 50, then it basically means that there is bullish momentum. The market is trying to go up and up and up. Okay, so I entered based on these two conditions. Number one, my candlesticks has to cross to be above my moving average. This is exactly what happened here on my entry. Okay, number two, I need to have my green line either at the 50 level or just above the 50 level for me to enter into a buy trade. I was already seeing that we were approaching the 50 level, and we had already broken this red line. So I was happy to take that risk because I knew most definitely we were going to go up. Okay, and then I also incorporated my price action. Remember, I said I just don't trade with these indicators only. I also include different strategies, okay, which is what make up my strategy, my trading plan. Okay, from our price action, we could see that the market had set this low, and this has been confirmed by our indicator again, where we see this dip at the bottom right here, which is our basically the lowest point the market can get, right? Doesn't mean that this is the lowest price. It just means that the market is now at the lowest. So this indicator will only be able to tell you that the market is at the lowest or lower than the previous low, right? But not how low it will keep going or how low it has gone. It won't show you that. This indicator won't show you that. It will just show you that the market is in a dip like this, but you can't tell if it's going to keep going down or change, right? It can only tell when it has happened. Okay, so that then marked our peak, because that was the low we had. And my take profit here, my target here actually was because this was a previous zone in which price was reacting to, which either shows me that it was a support which turned into a resistance, or it was a resistance which turned into a support. Either way, I knew that price was going to react the next time it hits that point. Okay, so that will be my take profit, and then I'll see what the market will tell me after, whether to continue with my trade or to exit and look for other opportunities. Okay, so like I said, if you want to enter into a buy trade, you have to have your candlesticks cross. You need to have two candlesticks cross to be above that red line. You also need to have your green line at your 50 level or above your 50 level. Okay, that's a confirmation, and then you need to include your price action to verify your position. Okay, so we can go on and on. I want to go to Boom 500 and explain the selling. Well, of course, you guys already know if you want to sell, it's obvious. Candlesticks now have to be below this red line, cross to be below, and you have to cross your 50 level mark and go below. Then you get this nice entry. So you can see here I sold. Why? Because I saw my candlesticks breaking my red line and we were at the 50 level. As simple as that. We were at the 50 level and my candlesticks were breaking. At the same time, I was using my price action. I already knew about this high and I also knew about this low. I think we've actually reached our take profit level because that was my take profit level. I'll check if we've reached it, but I'm sure we've hit TP by now. If it was not this one, then I think it was a little bit lower maybe, but we're so close to our take profit level. Okay, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video if you want to see more of these strategies, and don't forget to check out our Telegram channel and our new TikTok account where you find strategies in short form videos. So you can find a 3-minute video explaining a strategy or a trading tip or anything that is going to help you trade better. You'll be able to find that on our Telegram channel as well. There's a link to our TikTok, and in the description box as well there's a link to that TikTok account where I'll be explaining and posting more frequently strategies and basically just answering you guys' questions. So if you have any questions, head on to TikTok right now. It's easier for me to make a 1-minute video for you explaining the charts. So if you have any questions on this strategy or any of our strategies, just ask it on our TikTok. Comment on any video asking a question. I'll respond to that question with a video, and you'll be able to see my screen, my charts, and have a little bit of more clarity. Okay, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post videos like this. If you guys need a part 2 on this one, which is explaining deeper, I think I'll try and do that. Just comment down below that you need a part 2, and I'll definitely do that. Until next time.